Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll be focusing on how to repair the motor of the Conga 4090 brush. Start by gathering your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some cleaning supplies. Having the right tools will make this process much smoother. First, unplug your Conga 4090 to ensure safety. Remove the screws on the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, you'll expose the motor compartment. Carefully disconnect the motor wires. Remember to take a note of where each wire connects. If you're unsure, a quick picture can help you remember their placement. Now, take your multimeter and test the motor for continuity. Place the probes on the motor terminals. If your multimeter beeps, the motor is good. If not, it may require replacement. If you feel unsure about this diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you. Next, let's focus on cleaning the motor. Use a soft brush to remove any dust and debris. It's essential to keep the components clean, as dirt can cause overheating and failure. If you're hesitant to tackle this part yourself, don't forget we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy and convenient for you. Once cleaned, check for any visible damage on the motor. Look for burnt wires or cracked components. If everything looks good, reassemble the motor by reconnecting the wires as per your earlier notes. Make sure each connection is secure to avoid future problems. Now, let's replace the back panel. Carefully align it and use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws. Ensure that no wires are pinched or misplaced during this process. Before plugging the device back in, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is in order. If you feel uncertain at any point, remember, we can provide a quote before any repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Finally, plug in your Conga 4090 and power it on. Test the brush motor to ensure it runs smoothly. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your motor. If not, consider reaching out to us for support, as we're here to make things easier for you with no calls, no travel required. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.